Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I have created a game for counting pictures. So basically, these games are targeted to children less than 5 years of age, or maybe less than 7 years of age. So, uh, so I have taken free assets from the website, from different websites to build the two layouts. So we have three layouts here. So one is the layout for logo, and other two we have different pictures for counting the game, counting the objects. Why am I saying game? Okay. So count one is the first layout. Okay, you can see text boxes here. Okay, so and also the planet. So the whole image is a single picture. So this was downloaded from a free website called FreePic, and these are the text boxes have added. Okay, and you can see different planets. So the objective for the kid or anyone is to count the planets and enter the amount, enter the values here. Okay, so this works in this way. So every text object has a instant variable called variable. So you'll have to add the variable, the count of the number of planets in the value. Okay, so here this planet is of 1 2 3 4 planets, so the value is 4. Similarly, this one is 1 2 3 4, so the value is 4. And similarly, this one is only of 2, so the value is 2. So likewise, for all the text objects, you'll have to add the values. Okay, so the program, so gs underscore game is the program, the whole events for the game. Okay, in this layout, the event sheet, it will check the value of each text object entered, as well as the value. It matches the value of the text object and the value entered into these text objects. And if it matches, it says it's correct, or else it will say it's wrong. Okay, so let's look at the event. So we have few global variables, and this is to see how many text variables, text objects are provided. Number of answers to be provided will be 6, because we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 8, and answers correct will the program will calculate when you submit the game. So the count of values enter. So once you submit 8 values while playing the game, the text object submit will be visible. So initially this is disabled, but later it will be visible once you add all the values in the text objects. Okay, so answers revealed, it will be set to true once you cleared once you have submitted. Okay, so can submit will be enabled to true once you entered all the values. Okay, so these are the CSS styling for the text boxes. So you can add more CSS styles. You can simply go to Google and type text box, align center, CSS, something like that. So you'll get the values. So there are a lot of tutorials you can find, and based on that you can simply add the values over here, and you can see there are other events to see how to function the whole game, and I have also added the comments for each of them. Okay, so this program here will take the input as 1. Okay, so all the text objects, I set the value, the length of the text to 1. So even though you enter 3-4 values, it doesn't take, it will only take 1 value. So if you want to increase the count of it, so you want to have double digit, you need to increase the number here. So if I do that, I can enter double digits. So if I try to enter more digits, it doesn't accept. Right? It's the same with other text objects. So let's change it back to 1. So based on your requirement, you can increase the input values over here. Okay. So initially it will calculate the number of text boxes we have. So this is completely automated, you don't need to change anything. So as of now we have only 8 text boxes here, but if once you place your own images, maybe you want to have only 4, only 5, or maybe you want to have 20, so you want to have your unique numbers, right? So in that case, it automatically calculates the number of text boxes the game has, and it takes the number. Okay, so it happens at the beginning of the layout. All right, so once you enter values, it will calculate the number of values entered in each text box and adds 1 to each of the values. Okay, count of values entered will be increasing once you add the number. Okay, so once you reached the number of values entered to the number of text boxes, can submit will be true, and if it doesn't reach, I mean the numbers doesn't match, the can submit will be false. Once the can submit is true, the text, which is the submit text, will be visible, or else it will be invisible. So users will not be able to submit. Okay. All right. So once you click on, once the submit button is visible, and once you click on it, the answer reviewed will be set to true. So once it is set to true, this whole events will not function anymore. Okay, this is to make sure the user will not change the values later once they submitted the score. Okay, and so we have few text objects here. I have placed few text objects called not text objects, few objects, sprites, which is called right wrong. So this will declare whether it the answer is correct or not for each text box. Okay, if it is tried, it will set the animation frame to 1, which is correct, and if it is wrong, the animation frame will be 2. Okay, which is wrong, and the audio of correct will be played and audio of wrong will be played accordingly. Okay, so once the answers are checked, so it will calculate the number of answers which are correct. So it will simply compare the value in the text input with the value of the text object, the value entered as well as the value which was given to the text object as an instant variable. Okay, so once both have matched, okay, so once both are matched, based on that, the set will be text to try again. If it is wrong, if the answers are right, the text will be set to next level. Okay, so once you click on try again, it will restart the layout, or if you click on next level, it will take you to the next level, which is count 2. So this is the event for count 1. You can see if the text is next level, it will take you to the count 2. You can simply add more layouts, just duplicate. It will automatically add the count 3. Right, go to background, replace the object. So replace this background, simply add, one second, not this one. Okay, simply right click on this one, count to bg, clone it and open it, and you may select the image and drag it to this one, drag it here. Okay, and you can delete the background, right? And you just need to place the text objects beside the main objects and add the values for each of the text object, and also place the right wrong sprite beside all the text objects. Okay, rest the game programming will take care of everything, so you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, let's undo what we have done. Okay, one second. Okay, fine. Okay, so you'll also have to add the event sheet for each of the layers when you create them and link them here. Okay, it is better to name them as per the main event, the main layout. Okay, alright, so this is count 1, count 1. You may add 20, 30 or 40, 50 levels, it's up to you. So the game program will be the same, and if you want to have any changes, any modifications, if you're not able to do it by yourself, you can always reach out to me. I'll provide the contact in my game description, so you can reach out to me, and it's very self-explanatory. You can go through this video again. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. So all the icons are provided here. You can simply replace the icons from here, and sound objects are also provided here. You can simply replace them. And if you want to set up AdWords, you can also do that, but for kids game, it is, I think, we should not set up any ads. That's the policy, I guess, of AdWords. Not only AdWords, but even for Apple, Microsoft, I don't think for kids game we can set up ads. Okay, we have a lot of objects here, plugins, so you can integrate the AdWord plugin. All right, I think that's all. Yeah, we covered everything, right? So I'll provide the game link in the description, so you can download the game, you can play the game from the same link, and let me know if you want me to add more levels for you, or if you want me to if you want to have any customization, anything, you can reach out to me. All right, also give me some suggestions if you want me to build any games for you, or if you want me to build any templates for you. Basically this is a template, this is not a complete game. Okay, any templates for you, I can build some templates for you, so that's not a problem. So this is what I do for living. All right then, We'll meet again in another video. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.